Our body needs water to be hydrated all the time. Our skin also needs moisturizer to keep hydrated all the time. Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. So if you are watching this face for the very first time, please take a moment and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, I love you so much. So today I'm here to share with you guys my honest review about Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer. So if you want to know what I feel and a detailed review about this product, then please keep on watching. This is how the product looks, and it's very sky blue color where the blue aesthetic is going on. And if I open the product, this is how the gel looks from inside. इसके ऊपर एक बहुत पतली सी लेयर थी कवरिंग की प्लास्टिक की, which I have already removed. When you buy this product, this is gonna come in this way. No outer packaging is there. So it says Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So they give 147 gram of product for 299 rupees, which according to me is a great deal. All the ingredients are listed here. Here you can see all the ingredients that are available. You can also have a look into here. All the ingredients are listed here. So take a screenshot of it and see whether you are allergic to any of the components present in this cream or not. The availability is very good. You can get this product online as well as offline for sure. Let's see what are the claims it does. So it claims to be super light moisturizer. So yes, it's a super gel moisturizer. Once you apply it on your face, within a fractions of second, it will get absorbed in your skin. So yes, it's a super light gel formulation. Second claim that it does it to be a non-sticky formulation. So yes, it's a non-sticky formulation. Whenever we apply cold creams in our face, the stickiness that we feel, you will never ever feel that stickiness after using this moisturizer, that is for sure. The third claim that it does is 24-hour hydration. So I'm not very sure about 24-hour hydration, but I'm pretty sure that till the time I do not wash my face, it stays there, okay? It keeps my face hydrated. So you can consider that it would be there for maybe 6 hours, maybe 10 hours, because generally we tend to wash our face after that frame of time. But honestly speaking, I haven't used this for 24 good hours, and I don't think that it would be stayed there for 24 hours. The longevity of the product is really good, so that also gets a big thumbs up from my end. Claim is instant absorption. Yes, it gets absorbed in your skin instantly. Wait, I'm going to show you a demo by applying it in the hands. So this is the amount I'm taking, and this is my hand. Okay, so just wait for it. See, it get absorbed in my skin, so it's that quick. So far we were discussing about the claims that it does and the packaging and everything, but now let's come to my review. Yes, so in one sentence, if I need to tell you about this moisturizer, I would say I am in love with this moisturizer, and I think this is the best moisturizer in the market available for summers. Now a lot of people will now think that, okay, moisturizer in summers. Yes, I would like to burst that myth. Your skin needs moisturizer all the time, as our body does. It does not matter what the season or your skin is feeling dry or not. Your body needs always water, right? Whether either you are getting thirsty or not, after every 1 hour or 2 hours, you drink water. Right. Similar to that, our skin also needs moisturizer all the time, irrespective of which skin type you are, what season it is, and whether your skin is feeling dry or not. And according to me, it's a basic skincare that everybody needs to do. And once you apply this moisturizer in your skin, after it gets absorbed in your skin, you will see a kind of sheen in your skin because of the hyaluronic acid which is present in the product. Now, in this video, I'm doing a big claim, that means best moisturizer in the market right now. Now why I am giving this claim is that firstly, of its formulation, it would give you a boost of hydration to your skin, that's for sure, and it gets absorbed very quickly. And the second reason is because of the price range. This kind of formulation, lightweight gel like formulation, we have a lot. I won't name the products because they are also very good. I also have used them, but the price point, here comes a price point we have to understand. They are like hell expensive. Okay, but this, the amount that they are giving in $300, I think it gets a big thumbs up from my side. And the last thing which I don't like about this product, or you can say you can't get everything on a single product, is that it won't be very helpful for you in the winter season because of the moisturizer and the subtle nature of it. So I think you can use this product obviously in winters, but you have to top it up with some more moisturizer, because for me in winters I need a thick moisturizer underneath if I am applying makeup or something like that. But for summers and other seasons rather than winter, it's a best moisturizer you can get in the market on this price range. Okay, this is for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and this moisturizer can be used by males as well as females. So share this video with everybody, okay, with your family as well, because you know moisturizer is a basic step that everybody should put in their day-to-day lives. So yes, abhi tak agar subscribe nahi kiya, please hit the subscribe button. And yes, meet you guys next time. Till then, you all take care, stay beautiful, and keep loving yourself, because it's the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself. Bye. I love you guys so much.